Video, I'm actually down here in Tarlac City, and I plan to do like a little bit of a city tour with a combination of seeing some really cool sights and also Tricycle and kind of riding. So one of my first stops here is to take a look at the San Sebastian Cathedral and take a look on the outside. But look at the mass of this beautiful cathedral, which actually opened in 1945. I mean, there's a lot of history behind it. Around the outside here of the San Sebastian Cathedral. There's a Mama Mary. How are you? Oh, I'm doing fine. This is my friend Kuya Bert.
Oh, my friend.
Yes. Getting a video of this beautiful San Sebastian Cathedral.
Oh,
yes.
What's the matter of the night?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful
It is.
It's a beautiful Tarlac City.
Oh, I love Tarlac City. Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
I'm going to Palenque. I'm going to video. Okay, go.
Yeah, we went to the Palenque yesterday. What's that? Huh?
Blogger.
Yes, blogger, yes.
What's
Yep.
the account name?
TravelingFrogman.
What name are you? And go to Cambodia. Yeah.
I got these fellas right here are the Eucharistic ministers here in the San Sebastian Cathedral,
here in the chapel.
the capital, and you're going to be on YouTube if you don't mind being filmed.
Thanks a lot.
We are Kapampangan.
Oh yeah.
You will forward then.
And the name of the church is the San Sebastian Cathedral.
San Sebastian Cathedral. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Nice meeting you too.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I love Tarlac City.
See you next year.
Yes.
After 10 years. After 10 years.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you will show you the way.
Okay. All right, see you guys. Thank you very much. So this is Ronnie right here, and we're here in Tarlac City, and we're going to go on a little tour on the tricycle, and with my friend here, Kuya Bert. This is a tricycle. Check it out. This is my ride for today, and I really appreciate it, fellas. This is going to be a lot of fun, and thank you for following me.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Kuya Bert, you ready to go? Ronnie, okay, you ready to go? Let's go.
Okay, go.
So this is what it looks like in the side of a tricycle here in Tarlac City, Philippines. And we're going to do a little bit of a city tour and see what's going on. And this is one of the best modes of transportation, as you can see. And I got my driver Ronnie and my friend Kuya Bert. And we are headed to the capital of Tarlac City. And we're going to take a look on the outside of it. You can see all the trikes in front of me right here. Coming up to the Capitol. Here in the back of the Tricycle. Check this out. Capitol building here of Tarlac City. And it's really an honor to come and visit this building. And you can see it. Capitol. There it is. So actually inside the Capitol building, and I'm allowed to go up there and see the previous governor's pictures. So we're going to go upstairs and check it out. Go up here. Looks like they have some finishing going on. We don't have the current picture of Susan Yap, but she is the current governor now. But these are the previous governors. Just gonna kind of go down the line and see these. And this is the honorary Aquino Jr. So I'm making a full circle around the portraits. And hopefully I didn't miss any of these portraits. And this is the last one coming around to the end. Alfonso Ramos, 1901 to 1904. Street and do some walking tour around there, see what's going on there. So back into the Tricycle. Okay. Back here in the Tricycle here in Tarlac City, and we just got done taking a look inside and the outside of the Capitol building there in Tarlac, where the governor is. And it's really neat. I actually got to go inside and go to the second floor and see previous governors of Tarlac, and that was really a treat to do that. I mean, obviously it's a Saturday, but they have some renovations going on inside. And we're heading back again. Very cool. Tarlac City, Philippines. Hey, this is Ronnie. Thank you very much for driving us around. Me and Kuya Bird. Really appreciate it, man. Top notch driver here in Tarlac City. So this is kind of a center part of town right here in F. Teñedo Street here in Tarlac City, Philippines. And I'll give you an idea what it looks like. So let's check it out. We're going to take a little bit of a walk up the street. And this is actually the Tarlac City downtown public market, but we're not going to go in there just yet. We'll take a walk down. You can see the amount of tricycles there are around here. It's unbelievable.
Morning,
Good morning, sir. Take a walk this way. So just kind of doing like a little bit of a city tour here in Tarlac City, Philippines, and this is F. Canieto Street.
Napunta na lang kita.
No, sir. Thank you. Thank you. And it's really fun to be here. And we're actually right here at the Tarlac City downtown public market. That's the end of my video of my actual trike tour here, semi-trike tour here in Tarlac City. And you know, if you like this content, you know, please consider subscribing. I travel to a lot of places and see a lot of different areas, and this is a really enjoyable day actually getting on the tricycle and getting out there and seeing what's going on. So hope you see in my next video. This is the lasting shot of F. Canieto Street.